Abdullah dough kneader of 5 kg being readied and checked for Daraz order of Mr. Hamid Khan. This is a repeat order, 13th January 2024. This is the shipping label. It has a metal blade, a measuring flask and a warranty booklet. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. You can see from the bottom also, and now we'll start it. Machine is okay and it is running. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. We then pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, and then we pack the carton in this brown sheet, and then finally in bubble wrap, and we paste 2 fragile stickers on the carton for safe passage in courier. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the timer has come to the off position and the machine has automatically stopped. It is okay and now being packed for the Daraz. This is the first of the 2 machines being reordered by Mr. Hamid Khan. We will check the second machine in 5 minutes now.